Hey y'all, and welcome back to Easy Nails, where I show you how to create easy fun nails for everyone at home. Today I'm going to create a beautiful summer nail set. I'm going to show you how to create dip nails with tips, and we are going to create a hot pink V tip. Alright, so let's get started. I am going to start with my True Dip Easy Flow dip powder, and all the colors and products that I use will be linked in the description box down below. So basically, to get started, you want to prep and prime your nails first. Then you're going to go in with a base coat. I am using my Kiara Sky base coat. You're going to apply a thin layer, and then you're basically going to go on top of your dip powder or acrylic. You can also use acrylic powder. And you're either going to dip your nail into the pot, or as you see here, I like to use a cuticle pusher or any kind of spoon that you have to basically scoop that powder all over the nail. Then you're going to want to wait a few seconds just to let that powder really absorb into the base. And then you're going to tap off the excess and then use a big fluffy brush to brush away any excess powder you have on there. And then you're going to keep on repeating the steps. So again, here we applied the base, and then I'm going to apply the dip powder here. Let it sit for a few seconds. This is really important. It basically lets the base absorb all of the powder. So you want to make sure that you wait a few seconds. Then you're going to tap off the excess and use a brush again to fluff away the excess powder as well. This makes sure that your nails look nice and smooth in application and not bulky. So here I'm doing the same process over again, and it seems like a lot of steps at the beginning, but actually dip nails are super easy, and really anybody can do them at home. It's a super easy way to get beautiful long salon-like nails at home. So here I told you guys we're going to be doing a V-tip design. I am using this hot pink color from AIMEILI Couture. I will link it down below. Basically, I am drawing on that angled V tip with the base. Then I am taking the cuticle pusher and going all over the nail. Now, the dip powder is only going to adhere to where you put the base. So that's what's really cool here. It's super easy to create designs. You can color block with this. The designs are endless with dip powder. So you can see there, just tapping off the excess. Again, here I went in with the base powder. I used Kiara Sky base. I angled my brush and basically swiped it from the side of my nail to the middle of the tip of the nail to create that V tip, from the side to the tip there to the middle. And then you're going to scoop on some powder, let it sit for a minute, absorb into the base. And then you're going to tap off your excess and brush off. And you can create really cool color blocking designs with this technique. It's super easy. And you can do dip nails with any acrylic powder, not just dip. Don't be fooled by this. You can use any acrylic powder to dip your nails. So any acrylic powder you have, or dip powder, whatever you prefer. You can also use dip powder with monomer for acrylic nails as well. And again, don't be scared here. I know it looks like that pink is going all over the nail when we scoop it in, but it's only going to adhere to the base. And I prefer doing dip nails with a cuticle pusher to scoop on the powder, but you can also dip your nails into the pot if you would like. I just find the application more precise and much easier to use with the little cuticle pusher. Okay, you can see how quick and easy that was, and we already created this beautiful V tip hot pink. And here is a super important step, guys. Okay, so you want to make sure just in acrylic nails that you are encapsulating. Okay, so we took base, we put a thin coat all over the nail, and then I am scooping tons of clear acrylic powder all over the nail so that I can file it and we won't file off our design. It's the same technique here that you use in acrylic nails. So you want to encapsulate, which means you want to cover all of your design, all of your nail in a clear acrylic. So going in here with the base, and then I'm going to put tons of clear acrylic on it. And I always say it's better to use more than less in this step, because you do not want to file off any of your colored acrylic or any of the design that you did here. And again, you want to make sure that you let it sit for a second on the nail, the acrylic powder, before you go and brush it off. This really gives the base time to suck in all that acrylic powder. And if you have a hard time with color blocking or V-tip nails, dip powder is a super easy way to still get that look, and the technique is way easier. Again, here we are just encapsulating all the nails with clear acrylic. And this acrylic, I forgot to tell you guys here, is my Mia Secret Clear Acrylic. Yep, you can use regular acrylic with dip nails again, doesn't matter. And if you feel like you didn't cover the whole nail here with clear, you can always go in with a second coat of base and put some more clear powder on top. This is a super important step. If you do not do this step thoroughly, you will file off your design. Okay, so you guys see how beautiful these V-tip nails turned out with that fun hot pink, perfect for summer nails. And here I am applying an activator. I'm using Easy Flow Activator. You do not have to use the same system. You can mix systems here, a different activator from one brand and a different base from another brand. The base is actually a resin or glue that you're putting on your nails. An activator is a chemical that makes sure that everything is cured and hard. This is super important. You do not want your product to be under cured. So you can see there before I put on one coat of the activator. And again, this hardens the nails, and then I wait a few minutes and then I go in with the second coat. I like to put on 2 coats of activator just to ensure that my nails are fully cured. And you do not want to get this on the skin. Again, also with the base, try your hardest not to get it on the skin. And here I'm going in again with the Easy Flow Activator all over the nails, and you can mix brands here. And again, you want to wait a few minutes in between coats of the activator. I like to put at least 2 coats of activator on, but I like to wait a few minutes in between each coat. Again, activator just hardens and cures your dip nails. And you can also do dip nails just on your natural nails. It's a super easy way to get a super professional salon-like manicure at home. It's really easy and convenient. The Model 1's dip powder kit is a super cheap and inexpensive dip powder kit if you're just getting started. I really recommend that one. Has everything you need. Okay, here I'm going in with my nail file. This is a 180 nail file. I am just going in at a 45-degree angle, and I am sharpening up those side walls. In order to achieve that super crisp look in the end, you want to make sure that you're shaping your side walls. This is really important. It makes a difference in your end result, and it really makes your nails look on point in the end. So here I'm going in a side swooping motion on the side of the nail from the cuticle towards the tip. I'm basically filing half the nail here, then I'm going to go to the other side and file the other half. I'm going around the cuticle area, you guys can see that. And I'm going around the cuticle area and basically either going around the cuticle area towards the tip of the nail on the side, or from the tip of the nail down around towards the cuticle area. And you want to make sure you do this to both sides of the nail. Again, this is super important, you guys. Shaping is really going to make your nails look on point and perfect in the end. Again, I'm using here a 180 hand file, going around those cuticles and towards the free edge. Here you're going to hold the nail file at a 90-degree angle, going back and forth. This is going to really give that crisp square to the nail. You're going to file the free edge back and forth 90 degrees. And see our nails here after they have been dipped with activator and filed. Okay, you guys, so we want to buff our nails. Super important step. Again, I know I keep on saying that, but all these steps are critical to get perfect salon-like nails at home. Any buffer will do here. You just want to make sure that you really buff the nails. What happens is when you file your nails, you leave little micro scratches in them, and to get them super, super shiny, you want to make sure that you buff them really well. Okay, and after all that, I clean my nails with isopropyl rubbing alcohol, and then I'm going in with my AIMEILI No Wipe Top Coat. Super recommend this top coat. Got it off of Amazon. I will link everything down below. And I am applying a thin coat to all of the nails here. I really love the way that this turned out. This hot pink V-tip nail design, all with dip powder. Super easy, fun, quick summer nail design. You can do it at home. I love these neon colors for the summer. They just turned out beautifully. Again, I am applying this AIMEILI top coat. Going to cure that in my UV LED lamp, of course. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this fun, easy dip powder set. Okay, here I am applying last step, my cuticle oil. Super important to do this. We want to nourish the hands back up, and you can see, oh my god, I'm totally in love with this neon summer set. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, just rubbing in that cuticle oil. And I really love this beautiful, super easy V-tip with hot pink all dip powder. Super easy set. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, I'm Easy Nails, showing you how to create easy, fun nails for everyone. Catch you in the next video. Bye!